April storm in Tehachapi, California. Say hi, Pinto. Hello. Good morning. Pinto being here. It's a little cold out there, Beyonce. Huh? He's the pinto bean. Just a pinto bean. It's cold. Oh, there she is. And Tamberlin. Say good morning, kids. It's really pretty outside. You guys want to go play? Oh, snowflake in the face. Pinto got hit by a snowflake. You don't like it. Oh, he's eating the snow. Did you see him, Tamlin? He's eating the snow. A little silly guy. Oh, too silly. Oh well, guys, it's snowing. We're gonna shut the door into now, okay? All right. Brrr, cold, guys. I'm Pinto. Tamlin. All right, say bye-bye to the snow or the camera.